Today, finally, the ML is getting these active forge wheel spacers by Bonoos installed. So stay tuned. Hey guys, so welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn on the post notification, leave me comments in the section below, like, and don't forget to share my content. It's getting a little bit warmer now in New York, so I can finally bring you some modifications. Now today I am at my brother's house. We're going to install these Forge Active Cooling Wheel Spacers by Bonoos today on the ML63 AMG. They are an Asian brand. I did a few research on them and they're pretty good. And guys, let me open this box and show you how these wheel spacers look. And so my brother just came out of the house and he's kind of like rushing me, but anyways, so these are the wheel spacers that I bought from Bonoos. I purchased these on eBay. Guys, when I tell you, come on. Anyways, when I tell you these wheel spacers are super light, they are super light, and the design is basically amazing. Also, I noticed that they have a little slot right here. If you want to remove it, you can put like a, you know what I mean, like a screwdriver or whatever the case may be. If the spacers is stuck to the hub, you can actually get it off by inserting a screwdriver right here and basically prying it off. Anyways, so my brother's waiting for me. You know, today's his day off from work, so I'm gonna jump straight into the video and I'm gonna ask him too as well what, you know, I mean, he think about these wheel spacers. Andrew, once again, Andrew, tell me something. Comparing to the last wheel spacers that I installed on the BM, feel how this one feel and tell me. It's two wheel spacers in one, so take it off. How they feel? They're super light, right?
Light.
It is super. It weighs super lightweight.
I like these. I might go on the website, order it, and put it on my Tesla.
Exactly, and push out the Tesla. The wheels are a little bit more wider, so it, you know, I mean, sits flush with the fender arches. It's pretty light, right? Exactly. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and jump into the installation. He has a jack right here, so we're gonna jack up the car, take the wheels off, and you guys know how to install wheel spacers. It's pretty easy, but I'm gonna show you the fitment after. These are 12 millimeter, I think, right? Yeah, these are 12 millimeters wheel spacers. So basically, this is how the car sits right now from the back. It's a little bit tucked in, and the front is super tucked in. Also, guys, I did buy lowering links for the car, so I'm gonna do the installation for the lowering links to make it sit a little bit lower. Let's go ahead and jack up the car and get these spacers installed. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and sit the wheel spacers on the hub, and these are hub centric, so it's gonna sit flush onto the hub, so it's not gonna move whatsoever. That's it. Right.
Yeah, it goes on it. Nice.
Nice, right? Nice and snug.
Yep.
And do the other side. Okay, so we're on the other side.
Nice and flush.
Okay, good. So now we're just gonna go ahead and put the tire on and spacers on, and also I purchased a wheel guider. I mean, you guys, if you're a car enthusiast, you guys know this. So basically, this basically guides the wheel onto the hub, so you don't have to be searching for the holes. So I'm just gonna go ahead and put the wheels on. Both tires are on, the wheel space is on. So now what Andrew is doing is gonna go ahead and torque it down to 120 pound-feet of torque. Yeah. Mm-hmm. That, mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Good. Okay, so now he's gonna do the other side.
Yeah, let me make sure it's on.
Now Andrew's gonna start the front. So basically he already jacked the car up. He took out the lugs. Now he's gonna take off the wheels, install the spacer. Alright guys, FYI, so this is what the lugs look like. Sorry about my hand. My hand is very dirty. I was trying to help my brother. So basically it comes with the ball, I think it's a ball point or whatever it is. It's detached from the actual lug itself. So basically you just adjust it and you push it up. And there you go.
Hey.
This is kind of nice. I like how they designed this.
Hey.
Guys, definitely doing the spacers was a must. The car looks absolutely much more wider. The stance looks way aggressive. You know what? Let me show you what I'm talking about. Look at this, guys. You saw the front sticks out. It's definitely... he was pulling the jack stand. Sorry about that. So the stands look definitely better. Look at this. So now the tire is almost flush with the fender, as you guys can see. Look at the rear, guys. The rear sticks out absolutely right where the fender line is. Like I said, guys, I do have the lowering links. I'm gonna do the lowering links next. Sometime next week I'll do it, or whenever I do it, I'll upload a video show the lowering links and, you know, the lowering of the car. So I'm gonna give you the view from the back. Tell me what you guys think. Let me go on the other side. Definitely looks so much better. Alright, Andrew, thank you so much.
Anytime.
Alright guys, so that concludes this video for the wheel spacers. Alright, I will be leaving all the information in the description box below where you can purchase these wheel spacers for the ML63 AMJ. Alright guys, so thank you so much for subscribing. Thank you guys so much for staying tuned. You know, I'll definitely drop some more videos soon, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.